Hello, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I'm Melissa Ray. Maybelline is not playing when it comes to complexion products. They're really not. So, we have another Maybelline product that we are going to test out. And that is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Perfector. Y'all know about this? I didn't know about this. This is a 4-in-1 glow makeup. Hold on, let me read all the things it says here. And this is all right in the front. Primer, concealer, highlighter, BB cream. Oh, that's it. The rest is in another language. I don't know what this is about. Okay, what's confusing me is the highlighter part. I mean, highlighter? Okay. We are going to try this out today. This is in the color Deep, which is the darkest shade that they have. Let me read up on this because I don't know much about it. It reminds me so much of, what is it? Okay, well, the actual concealer, because I have the concealer, which I do like, and it has the same Instant Age Rewind in its name. So I will be using this along with this. But this, I don't know. Okay, so on the website, it says, the Instant Age Rewind Instant Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Makeup is Maybelline's first 4-in-1 makeup for a perfected glow look that primes, conceals, highlights, and even skin tone with light coverage. Okay. Self-adjusting shades that blend into skin tone. Okay, so now that we got all that information out there, let's apply. Okay, so it's one of those things where it has the sponge applicator, okay, and then you have to twist it up. Let me see. How does this work? Okay. Oh, there we go. Twist it up until the product comes out. Okay, here we go. There goes the product on the sponge. And we're just going to apply it to our face. All right, let's go ahead and blend it out. Oh, okay, so I see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I see why they were saying highlighter. Oh my gosh. What the hell? I should have used just a little bit. Okay, this is different. This is so different. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I already don't like this product. Okay, it's really, okay, so it says here glow makeup, right? And it does give off that shimmery type of glow effect, which I don't know if I like for real. I would never use this all by itself. Absolutely not. Maybe I would use it under foundation like a primer, like going with this, because you know it gives that glow, and then put foundation on top. Maybe, but by itself, no. Or maybe it doesn't look as bad as I'm thinking it does, but I don't know. I had to take a little bit off because I think I put too much on, or I felt like I put too much on, so I took a little bit off. And I don't know, maybe it's something I gotta get used to. It's just, I don't know. I'm gonna continue on putting on like concealer, a little bit of powder, you know, like I'm doing a full face, but not really. And then see what happens. So I'm going in with the concealer. Okay, so I just went ahead and completed the look. So after applying everything, concealer, powder, and all that stuff, to me, it looks a lot better than initially. I think the powder toned down that glow that I kind of was feeling hesitant about, because before I put the powder on, it was too much going on for my liking. But now that I put on the powder, the concealer and powder on, it looks a lot better. I will say that. It looks a whole lot better, in my opinion. So that's a good thing. You know what I can do? I can see myself mixing this with like one of my foundations. Like I could mix the two so it can have that little glow effect, but not just too much. Like I could totally do that. I can use this as a primer as well. But I will say the end result is not bad. It's not bad. I still see, I mean, even though it's toned down, I still see the glow. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's still there. I mean, it's very different for me. It's something I would have to get used to if I continue to, use the product. I will say this is very, very light coverage, which means if you have any type of blemishes and flaws that you will want to cover up, this will not do it. You would have to color correct, conceal under using this product. So do any kind of color correcting and then going with this product, because if you don't, it will not cover up. It doesn't cover up anything. It really don't. Like I see the little blemishes I got all on my forehead. I still see it. So it doesn't cover that up. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe. And hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.